Yes, we're back with another episode of Gary's Garage. Okay, first off, I'd like to shout out my cousin Annie English. She got a new book out called Standing in Faith. Alright, it came out a couple days ago. You can get it on Amazon. I didn't get mine yet. But when I get it, I'm going to show it to you, post it up. Okay, we're back with the 6.0 Craftsman mower. It had, okay, for starters, it had a broken recoil assembly. We replaced that, put a new recoil assembly on it. Okay, we thought it was a carburetor. We cleaned the old carburetor. It still wouldn't start. So now, that's the old carburetor we're looking at. And I'd like to give a shout out to a fellow YouTuber who gave me a little advice. Men playing with tools. Men playing with tools. I think his name is Bill. Bill, you gave me a little insight. Yes, I cleaned the muffler. And it started. So we're going to try it again to see what happens.